Each bull cycle brings millions of new investors into crypto. After a while, many of them become hodlers and start moving their funds off exchanges, which I fully support. Sooner or later, most responsible investors realize one thing. Their entire investment depends on a seed phrase. If that phrase is written on paper, it can wear out over time, and it's at risk from water or fire damage. That's why I personally store mine on titanium plates instead of paper. Today I want to show you the world's best-selling seed phrase storage, Cryptotag Zeus. It's a titanium backup kit for your seed phrase. Fireproof, waterproof. Basically, it's a little tank for your recovery words. I'll unbox it and walk you through the setup step by step, so by the end of this video you'll know exactly how to make your recovery words bulletproof. But before we dive in, I want to mention that this video is sponsored by CryptoSnake deals. On the CryptoSnake deals page you'll find the best discounts on hardware wallets, crypto gear and conference tickets. We only feature brands we trust, and the deals are always the best out there. Check it out, the link's in the description. The kit I'm unboxing was sent to me by the Cryptotag team. The package came with a handwritten note and a classic Dalmastroop waffle, a little Dutch treat, since Cryptotag is a Dutch company. The Cryptotag Zeus starter kit comes in a sleek matte black box. It looks and feels premium. Inside the box you'll find a setup guide with step-by-step instructions, examples, and the full BIP 39 word list. The same word list is also available on GitHub. Next there are two conversion sheets, each one for 24 seed words. The star of the kit is the pair of titanium Cryptotag Zeus plates. And check this out, they even engraved CryptoSnake on mine. Looks awesome. Then there is a precision punch tool for punching holes into the plates. You'll also find a pair of earplugs, which is thoughtful, because the punching process isn't exactly quiet. And finally a box of matches, so you can burn your paper backup once you're done. If you're thinking about getting Cryptotag, use my referral link in the description. You'll get the best price currently available, and I will earn a small commission from each sale. Thanks for supporting this channel. Alright, now let me show you how this actually works. In this guide I'll only punch 4 words that are close to the phrase CryptoSnake deals are the best. The closest matches are cry, snake, deal and best. First, write down your seed phrase words on the conversion sheets. Then look up their corresponding 4-digit numbers using the BIP 39 word list. Once you've got your numbers, it's time to punch. Prepare the titanium plates and grab the punch tool. If you have sensitive ears, put in the earplugs. Punching isn't exactly quiet. Place the punch tool on the first digit and press down firmly. Then move on to the next. You'll punch 4 times per word. Keep going until all your numbers are punched in. Once you're done with punching, connect the 2 Cryptotag plates together. And as a final optional step, you can burn your conversion sheets using the matches from the box. If you've got more questions about the Cryptotag Zeus or anything else blockchain related, become a CryptoSnake channel member and drop a comment. Or hit the thanks button. I'll reply to as many member questions as I physically can. Cryptotag Zeus is one of the best ways to back up your seed phrase. It's made from titanium, fire resistant, and it won't rust or corrode. This thing's built to last forever. Right now it's priced at $149 and it's the #1 bestseller in its category. Make sure to use my affiliate link in the description. And because I always love giving back to the community, I'll be sending out 2 Cryptotag Zeus kits, each one with a stack sack, to the best comments under this video. So leave a comment below. As always, check out CryptoSnake deals for exclusive discounts. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll catch you later. Repetitive when it comes to the grind. Study the details, every number on the line. Divide and multiply. I take pride, do this routine forever at the same time. Then I feel like I'm just chasing blind. Can't explain the blueprint, still see the design. From the shape of the waves this life gave us signs. Sacred geometry, read between the lines.